first YouTube video after so much of time of procrastinating. So I'm excited. I'm actually launching my own YouTube channel where I'm going to be sharing personal experience, what I've learned, and so many other things with you. So once again, my name is Tosin Lubinga. I am a web developer, a software developer, mobile app developer. I am a startup advisor, business intelligence specialist, and anything around business, technology, web and the like. So those are my areas of expertise. I've worked as an engineering manager, as a chief technical officer for many organizations. I've worked as a data engineer and the likes. So you're going to be learning a whole lot from my channel. So let me just take you through what I'm going to be sharing with you, and also I'm going to be bringing a whole lot of people who are experienced in all of these feeds to my channel to speak with you. So the content I'll be sharing with you will be on business. I've been in business for some number of years now, both physically, online businesses, digital businesses, and as you know that uh, as this COVID-19 is moving, businesses are already going digital. So I have the experience in both the offline and the online. So I will also be speaking to you on investment. If, and finance, though both investment and finance are not actually my basic areas of expertise and interest, but I'll be bringing people with experiences on investment. I'll be sharing with you investment opportunities that I come across. I'll be sharing with you financial tips and bringing people who know much about this to the channel. Then I'll also be talking about technology, which is actually my base, my area of expertise, how you can use technology to upgrade yourself, your business to your personal advantage and the like. So hopefully I know this is going to be a beautiful one for you and for everyone that is going to be subscribing to this channel. So I would appreciate if if I would appreciate you to subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the channel, uh, put on the notification so that when I update new videos, you can easily get the update. Also follow me on YouTube and Instagram as well. My handle is Tosin Olugbenga. That is my handle on those channel. And if anything is going to on those platforms, if anything is going to change, I will definitely update the description of this particular video. So once again, I really appreciate those of you that come to watch this video, being my first video, and I hope I'm going to be able to make much impact in you. Thank you so much.